Welcome to Positive Vibes, where we empower you to live your best life. In today's fast-paced world, stress and distractions can easily overwhelm us. But what if there was a simple way to regain control, find peace, and sharpen your focus? That's where mindfulness comes in. In this video, we'll explore easy mindfulness techniques that anyone can start today, no matter your experience level. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment, fully engaging with what you're doing right now without judgment. It's about being aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. Mindfulness isn't just a buzzword, it's a scientifically backed practice that has been shown to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and increase overall well-being. Think of mindfulness as training your mind to focus, just like you would train your body at the gym. It's about tuning in to the present moment, whether you're drinking tea, walking, or even washing dishes. Research shows that mindfulness can have profound effects on both your mental and physical health. It reduces stress, lowers blood pressure, improves sleep, and even boosts your immune system. Mentally, mindfulness enhances focus, fosters emotional resilience, and helps you manage anxiety and depression. The benefits aren't just for the moment, they build over time, leading to a happier, healthier you. Let's begin with one of the simplest, yet most effective mindfulness techniques, mindful breathing. This practice helps anchor your mind to the present by focusing on your breath. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe, pay attention to the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then leaving your body. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Start with just 5 minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you get more comfortable. Chapter 4. Mindful Observation. Another powerful technique is mindful observation. This practice involves focusing your full attention on a single object or aspect of your environment. It could be anything: a tree, a candle flame, or even the clouds in the sky. The key is to observe without labeling or judging. Simply notice the details, the colors, shapes, textures, and movements. This technique helps you develop a deeper connection with the world around you, grounding you in the present moment and easing anxiety. Chapter 5. Body Scan Meditation. Body scan meditation is a great way to release tension and become more in tune with your body. To start, lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin by focusing on your toes, noticing any sensations you feel. Gradually move your attention up through your legs, torso, arms, and head, relaxing each part as you go. If you notice any areas of discomfort or tension, breathe into them and then let the tension go with your exhale. This practice helps you become more aware of how stress affects your body and teaches you how to release it. Chapter 6. Incorporating mindfulness into daily activities. Mindfulness isn't just something you do sitting still. It can be woven into your daily activities. Whether you're eating, walking, or even washing dishes, you can practice mindfulness. Focus on the sensations, smells, tastes, and textures. Engage fully with what you're doing and notice how it feels to be present. This is where the magic of mindfulness really happens, transforming ordinary moments into opportunities for peace and clarity. It's normal to face challenges when starting a mindfulness practice. You might find it hard to focus, or you might get frustrated when your mind keeps wandering. Remember, it's called practice for a reason. The goal isn't to clear your mind completely, but to notice when it wanders and gently bring it back to the present. Be patient with yourself. Mindfulness is a skill that develops over time. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to find that calm center, even in the midst of chaos. To make mindfulness a lasting habit, consistency is key. Start small, just a few minutes each day, and build from there. Set reminders, create a dedicated space for your practice, and integrate mindfulness into your existing routines. Remember, it's better to practice a little each day than to do long sessions inconsistently. Over time, you'll find that mindfulness becomes a natural part of your life. As you continue your mindfulness journey, you'll begin to notice profound changes. You'll become more aware, less reactive, and better equipped to handle stress. Relationships will improve as you become more present with others. You'll find more joy in everyday moments and cultivate a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. Mindfulness is a lifelong journey, but the benefits are immediate and long-lasting. The more you practice, the more you'll discover the profound impact it can have on your life. Mindfulness is more than just a practice, it's a way of life. It's about finding peace in the present moment, no matter what's happening around you. As you start your mindfulness journey, remember to be kind to yourself and enjoy the process. We hope this guide has given you the tools and inspiration you need to begin your mindfulness practice. Remember, every moment is an opportunity to be mindful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that uplifts and inspires. Let's embark on this journey to mindfulness together. Stay positive, stay mindful, and we'll see you in the next video.